Hi, my name is Grace. I work for Millennium Hotel Hong Kong. I'm the cloud floor manager. In the past 2 days, it was a very nice experience to attend the class for Mr. Zhou. He special designed upsell skill training for reservation department and front office. I'm sure everyone has enjoyed the training with Mr. Zhou. For me personally, I used to work in another hotel, so I attended a few classes related to upselling. But compared with before, I found there are many new elements in his course. Firstly, I liked the revenue management part very much. So he let me had a better understand about the company strategy on that day about how to sell the room and what kind of rate we need to achieve, so that I could have a better understanding of our company product, and I know how to explain to the guests as well. And secondly, I liked the philosophy regarding the upselling. Regarding the sales, it helped us to change the mindset about from simply just upsell the guests to how to helping the guests to buy something with different value, and we could anticipate the guest needs, and so we could provide a better experience to the guests. So the last one would be model. Well, for us as a manager, we encounter a lot of different guests, a lot of different cases. And guests are very smart, particularly for those who stay in the executive floor. So people also from different country, they have different culture, different background. So this module helped me to understand much better what the guest thinking, and I could see things differently. I could anticipate things from different perspective, so that we could find the gap between our understanding and what the guest needs, in order for me to improve the service and to make the guests to have a better stay with us. Conclusion, I enjoyed the class very much, and I'm sure this course is gonna help me a lot in my future career. Thank you very much.